sitting at 2-1 right now in the team standings. So this is a crucial game for them to create some separation from the other teams who are also starting to get into the mix, starting to get 2 wins already, 3 wins.
Saktong-sakto, Biyernes, siksikan sa 2-2 yung matatalo dyan. Tapos sa Alagwa, magiging sole number 2 yung mananalo sa ball game natin.
Alright, third quarter is about to begin. Jimboy Estrada with Montecillo.
Again, good matchup, Estrada, Escamis.
Andito rin si Charles Di Maano, Pau Villonar, and Deo Quajao
Ito yung
completing
mga
the
gusto
fight
kong
for
matchup.
Letran.
Good on good. Yung mga magagaling talaga sila. They pick up each other. 94 feet.
Di Maano hit one earlier from that spot. This time he will miss for Letran. They have Igliane, their leading scorer, Chris Obilla with 12 points, Diego Bancale with Clint Escamis. At saka si JC Recto. Kobe Monje goes to the scorer's table. Mamaya papasok siya. Montecillo off the catch. Montecillo comes up short.
Napitin lang.
Eto na, ang Mapua Cardinals play this one out on the half court. Igliane. Handoff for Clint. Clint stops his dribble. 7 to shoot. Obilla aatake. Chris Obilla off the back plus the foul. Give this guy 14 points.
Finally, I love it. Chris Obilla getting a downhill drive and talagang advantage niya yan eh. Si Chris Obilla, small forward. And if you put him at the power forward, he's a very capable rebounder. And he likes to bang with the big boys.
Yeah.
Simple. But when he attacks from top of the key, from the wing area, foot speed, strength and finishing, may advantage talaga siya over the other big guys.
Yeah.
Na hindi nagla-lateral eh, bumaback pedal. So yung buwelo niya, palakas yung arrive.
That's right.
Kanya pa offensive rebounds.
Chris Obilla missing the free throw, but getting another try at the basket. He has 16 points now in the game. And he opens the second half with a personal 4-0 run. So, like, deja vu here for Chris Obilla. Monje, wala.
Lunod.
Isa pa. Kobe. He is sent to the free throw line for a couple of shots. Again, Kobe Monje made the start for Letran, but just played 3 minutes and 56 seconds.
Hindi ko nga siya naramdaman ng first quarter.
Ito yung unang pasok niya ulit pagkatapos noon, coach.
Kasi very important si Kobe Monje. Again, he's listed as a small forward. Can play all the front court positions if they want to play small ball. Very athletic, shot maker, has championship experience.
Yeah.
So, malaking bagay siya dito sa team nila. Kasi silang dalawa ni Pau Villonar, Kevin Santos, tatlo ang sasandigan dito ni Coach Alan Ricardo. Kasi kung titignan mo yung bench, panay bagito eh.
Correct, yeah.
Ang may championship experience niya si Jobin. Si Titing, nandun pa sa likod ng bench dahil
Diyan ba si Manalili?
Andun. So yan yung may mga championship experience. Pero sa juniors. So dito ngayon, very important is who will take on that leadership role and who will support Pau Villonar. Yun, Pau na nga yung magiging leader.
Yeah.
Who will support him and provide those crunch time chops.
Yeah.
Pagkapitpitan na kanino sila kakapit.
I actually expected those guys, Kevin Santos, Pau Villonar, at saka si Kobe Monje to really dominate for Letran.
At saka meron talaga silang meron silang minuto dun sa mga championship runs na yun.
Diego Bancale.
Offensive foul here on Clint Escamis.
3-pointer was waved off. So Escamis is called for this foul. Mapua, though, with a commanding 16-point advantage. This Mapua team is threatening to blow this game wide open, and a counter-offensive foul on the other side of the court. Teka lang. May kulay tayo ng konti. Tignan natin yung nangyari dito. This was the spray by Clint.
Foul, yung obvious.
Yeah.
Dahil ito may offensive foul ni Monje, yung screen yun, hinawakan niya talaga. Tingnan natin, meron pang review.
Nakabawi si Bancale at saka si Escamis sa kabila. Okay. So habang nire-review nila crew chief Glenn Cornelio to, let's go courtside again. Coming off the dugout of both teams. Nandito ngayon si Kayla Afable. Kayla, go ahead.
though these two teams are in very different positions coming into the second half, it is definitely too early to count out the Letran Knights. In the dugout, they were reminded to strengthen and calculate their offense. The coaches have been focusing on which rotation will be most effective, as they have been shaky during the last few minutes of the game, but they know that there's still enough time to make this game theirs. Back to you, Martin and Coach Hammer.
Okay, so that's the game plan right now for the Letran Knights. Are, of course, not losing hope, but Mapua has been so good at the start of the third quarter. Correction, they're up by 13 points right now. At least, you know, that's what the scoreboard is indicating. 42-29, 8:19 to go.
So we'll see what happened here. This was after
Oh yeah,
the sequence.
Oh, ito yung,
kay Bangkale, yung
tinawagan.
dire-diretsong drive.
ayan, Montesillo and Hubili, coach.
Oh, so technical foul on Montesillo and Hubilia.
So, double tech
Yep.
ang tinawag dito.
Number 72, Chris Sevilla, and number 7, Net Montecillo.
Okay, so nag-cancel out lang yung dalawang tech na yon. Bola ng Mapua Cardinals.
That counts on your personal fouls.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oo. So important yan, lalo na kay Hubilia.
Let's check. Right now, Chris. Yeah, malaki yan, coach. Pangatlo ni Chris Hubilia. And Chris Hubilia will go to the bench. Hindi isusugal to ni Coach Randy. Because they have some cushion here. 13 points. Bangkale from the top. They go back to Checo, who pulls the trigger. Wala. Back Montesillo now. Surveys the floor. Gets away from the screen. Now uses the screen. Jimboy. Kay Javillonar. 5 to shoot. Montesillo. What a pass. Oh, Escamis. Denying that one.
Not the most athletic, not the strongest, but one of the smartest, if not the smartest defensive player natin. So, just at the right place at the right time, timing it perfectly.
And Letran turns it over right before the shot clock ended.
Sobrang deceptive kasi ni Clint eh. Pagka titignan mo, parang magaan siya. Tapos, yung quickness niya kasi hindi lang one speed. He changes gears, but he gets his speed up in a hurry. Mabilis siya mag-explode.
Yeah.
Yun yung first step niya. And pagka tumiretso, buo talaga yung loob pag fuminish.
Kasi veterano na talaga
Oo.
itong si Clint Escamis.
Well, hindi. Yun talaga yung laro niya eh. Na he can take contact and he can dish contact.
That's right. It also helps that he added some muscle during the
Yeah.
off-season. Di ba? Ready, makipangpanggan sa mga malalaki ang katawan sa NCAA. Hold on. It's Mapua basketball. Ito na si Cyrus Cuenco. Recto. Gagamitin ba yung screen? Hindi. It goes to Clint Escamis. They go to the post. Nandun si Mangubat.
That's an offensive foul on Lawrence Mangubat.
Trying to escape from Jace Miller.
Yun naman, when you're posting up a smaller guy, usually if you're not able to lock him up behind you, papabor yung tawag sa mas maliit na ba?
Yeah.
Sa mas maliit na player, lalo pag nag-ward off ka. Kaya kailangan pagka puposte ka talaga yung anchor mo, even the smaller guys, especially now, ang dami ng mga players na guards na magagagaling pumoste.
Jace Miller now. It's rookie against rookie. Wow, Recto takes it away. Recto all the way. Recto coming out of nowhere.
Good blindside trap.
And now Mapua is ahead by 15. 3 minutes going by in the third. Letran hasn't found the answers here in the
Outside.
third.
Tumama sa binti.
And they turn it over. Tignan natin to.
Pero blindside
help.
trap. Ganda ng sundot dito ni Cuenco. Dire-diretso. Tumingin pa.
ganun yung help mo, kailangan fully committed ka.
Oo, kasi blindside eh. Hard run and jump lang yun eh. Basic trap.
Yeah.
Favorite.
Mangubat from the corner. And Mapua is ahead by 18, or make that, 18 points, 47 to 29.
Baseline screen, going baseline. Manu Ginobili pass yung ganun eh. Merong mag-hammer screen.
Yeah.
Papunta dun sa corner, kaya na-libre mo sa pa.
Hindi lang tinira ni Cuenco yun. Here's the spray. Mangubat, another one. That one rimmed out.
It's important for Letran to get a good possession here to at least get a basket para ma-control ng konti yung momentum.
Recto and Miller. Tignan natin to. Cuenco sends it to the corner. Mangubat knocks it down.
Basic eh. Kasi when you get a baseline drive, usually magkakaroon ng ball screen action, swing yan. Yung big guy na isa, nandun sa top of the key, yung isang big guy naka-step in as rim protector. Pagka yung corner guy nanonood sa bola at humilp, sure ball laging libre yun. Or pag merong extra screen para Flumer, yung shooter, na ginagawa ng Mapua ngayon, good look lagi yan. Ay, yung Manu Ginobili pass nga dati, di ba? Yung baseline drive tapos yung hook pass sa corner. Yan yung mga Larry Fonasher, Jeff Chan, nung national team natin, dribble drive offense. Doon maraming nakukuha.
Coach, every time si Jace Miller ang nagbababa ng bola, matapos nung steal kanina, parang si Recto gigil na gigil siyang atakihin, ano? I-pressure.
Konting background pala. Ang family pala ni Jace Miller, Ilocos Norte. Nag-message yung isa ng uncle niya.
Ilocos Norte.
Oo, Kuya Edwin Leanes. Pamangkin pala to. Ilocos, Jibangan pala to. Doon pala yung mga pamilya. May family pala siya doon sa Ilocos. So doon yung roots. Getting recruited from the Nation.
Yeah.
Tapos nandun sa...
Oh, nasa NBTC to. Si Jace Miller. Escames. Oh. Good defense by Jace.
A little too fancy for Clint.
1 second to shoot. Tabillionaire crashes to the sideline, but he's okay. He was able to stop himself. Hold on. May timeout tayo dito, courtesy of the Letran Knights. We'll be back after this.
This is our league, this is our moment. Sa puso mo, the sky is the limit. Kaya taini, kaya natin to. We own the future.
Mapua was also in the finals, season 97.
Oh, good defense by Justin Sanchez.
And that's
Being
what
that
he can
help
do.
guy. Yeah, exactly. High school pa lang, yan ang laro niya.
What a pass. Adam Liwag inside with a flex afterwards. Ibang klaseng tropa to, Coach Hammer.
Alumni.
Alumni ng Letran. Nandito, nanonood ngayon.
Ilocos Sur pala.
Ilocos Sur.
Jace Miller. Kasi yung nasa Ilocos kasi ito, mga kaibigan natin from PSC pala. Yung yung mga family members na watching now dyan sa Norte.
Salamat po.
Ayan, yung mga tropa natin dyan.
Tropo. Ito naman mula sa Mapua.
Ayan.
Ito, I think they're right behind us. Ito ba sila? Hindi, nasa kapila.
Yan. On the right side. Tama.
Ayan, ito ba mga Mapua?
Naligaw ako mag-headhunt eh.
Okay.
O yung mga nagre-residence.
Oo.
Nakikita tayo dyan, yung mga nakatagong player na nagre-residence.
Dito nyo lang yan, masaspatan. Pag pumunta kayo sa field oil, di ba? Sino na kaya yung next in line sa mga team na to? Sino ba yung nare-recruit?
Alam mo, maraming balikan si Cyril Gonzalez.
Yeah.
Very good in the off-season.
Okay.
Will be playing next season.
Napakalakas ng Team B ng Mapua ngayon. Team B, So, they have Cyril.
Letran din.
Ha?
Letran.
Letran din, marami rin.
Tsaka si Benil. Kakalipat lang. SJ Moore.
Woo! Balik NCAA,
balik
CSJ4, former Arellano
Sa
high school star.
Rafi Celis All-Star yan eh, nung high school, di ba?
Company bahay ba to?
Oo.
Yeah,
Yan yung mga wing ni Bahay nung second year yata, third year ni Jared Bahay.
Ateneo de Cebu.
Sacred Heart.
Sacred Heart.
Ay,
Yeah.
maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan, mga nagtanaw dyan sa Cebu.
Mga niya po yan, season 101. Escamis on court. This one is denied by Estrada. That's his second rejection of the game, coach.
At saka si Jimboy Estrada, ano to eh, yung ano niya, demure lang siya maglaro. Very demure.
Yeah.
Very demure. Kontrolado.
Chillax, composed, pero alam niya kung kailan siya didiin.
Pero matiin maglaro, pero hindi mo nararamdaman yung masyadong mataas yung emotion.
Okay, tama yan. Wow! And that's good. And the foul for Jimboy Estrada. So finally, he gets one to go in. Before that, he was 1 out of 7. And that's a veteran move. You know, pinakiramdaman muna yung katawan ni Igliane before he made the sidestep.
Maganda yung contact balance talaga nito ni Jimboy Estrada. And alam natin yung pinanggalingan niyang eskwela. Of course, played for St. Clair under Coach Gino Manansala. Kaya kaibigan din natin, we were able to cover a lot of his games din when we were covering regional leagues tayong dalawa. So yung mga player na nanggagaling sa kanya, matitibay talaga. Bitoon, Junicio, diba?
Aris Junicio.
Oh, Halyari, yung mga talagang bakbakan talaga. And Jimboy winning rookie freshman of the year and MVP in that league, winning a championship, moving on now. Kaya I mean, Coach Gino will be one of the guys who's really rooting for him. And nakikita nga natin siya pagka-games, really supporting ito rin si Jimboy.
He has created another basketball star, because those guys, Bitoon, Junicio, went on to become
Madami yan, bro.
stars in
Madami.
the different leagues, right?
Saka si Clarito. I think si Jonard De Ocampo naman.
Di Ocampo. Jonard Clarito.
Kasi pare-parehas ng tema ng laro.
Junicio nasa pros na rin yan. Alright, 47-33. Letranas come into this lead. Estrada.
Good pass.
Wow! Connects from long distance.
And this is the game of Deo Cuacao. When he started in Espanya, ganyan yung laro niya. Merong taga-atake na rin sa bando, kick out sa kanya. Papiso-piso sa corner. Efficient siya, di niya kailangan mag-dribble. Ngayon, pangatlong midfield goal na niya. Saka ang ganda nun eh, pick and roll action.
Coach, yung unang dalawa, kita ko lang kanina, unang dalawa ni Deo Cuajao, 2 puntos tinawag,
2
stepping.
points.
So ito officially ang kanyang unang tres.
And it really elevates his game.
Yeah.
Kasi ito yung laro ni Deo Cuacao na walang pilit dun sa mga baskets niya. Mas na-amplify na, magaling dumipensa, shooter, shot maker, marunong magbasa, marunong mag-locate ng mga spots niya.
Kasi komportable yung posisyon niya.
Oo.
Yeah. Here's the try again. Was once an 18-point lead, is down to 11. And it stays with the white shirts here with a lot of time to work with.
Pero now getting a little bit more traction on offense. So we'll see paano yung counter punch dito ng Mapua. Wala, pinasok na nila yung isa sa magandang nilalaro ngayon. Might be pinakamaganda yung nilalaro for them na si Chris Obilia.
16 points, re-entering the game with those 3 fouls. So he has to be careful not to pick up the 4th. And si Jimboy Estrada.
Pin down.
Estrada hounded by Escamis. Look at that defensive Clint. Abilionar pulling the trigger. Off to the left. Miller, the offensive rebound. Back to Jace. Jace will attack. Jace forced that one. And it goes to the other side. Mapua gets a stop.
Kasi after that breakout game by Jace Miller, medyo check na siya na when he goes to his right and he will really look for a drop pass in traffic. Medyo nag-check na siya. Multiple times that he penetrated. Nag-step in, tapos may nag-drop, mabilis yung dropper.
Dito na masusubukan si Jace Miller kasi ngayon
Wala na
may foul na
surprise.
tinawag. Na-scout na siya.
May binigay ka ng tape eh.
Oo.
Ngayon, dahil napapanood tayo sa Facebook, sa YouTube, sa X,
Madaming film, madaming
film.
reference yung mga coaches natin. Habonete.
Saka ginagawang chichirya ng mga coaches natin yung game film. Talagang kahit nagdadrive, minsan white noise nila yan. That yung mga habits ng mga players and how they do
I
their
don't want to
scouting.
bring it up, Coach, but that's what EAC did to San Beda
Oh, definitely.
last time out.
Definitely. Everything
They
that...
did a lot of film work.
Oh, film prep. And you gotta tip your hat din kay Coach Gerson Cabilde. Na they outwork, out-effort, and they outmade shots
That's right.
by San Beda.
47-36.
Hindi nila sinunod yung mga tira nila eh. Totoo naman eh.
That's true. That's
Diba?
true. Ayan na.
Chill.
Okay. Back to the action here. Jimboy. Over to the other side. Close defense by Cuenco. Wow, kumalog.
Difficult shot for Deo Cuajao. It's interesting, hindi nila pinifeed on the post si Pau Havillonan.
That's
Multiple possessions that he is anchored on the block, that he can make a read or they can fabricate touches through him. Hindi nila pinupuntahan.
Escanes. Di Discarte. Eye to eye with Jimboy Estrada.
Sideshow.
Clint. Mangubat. Got it! Lawrence Mangubat with another three.
Basic read of the white roller. Umangat lang si Mangubat. Mangubat ready to shoot every time eh. Masyadong
Yes.
nag-relax in depensa ni Chase Miller.
Pangatlong tres ni Lawrence Mangubat.
This is what they need to do.
Avelionar against Habonete. Short hook. Kapos lang. Save to the wrong man. Habonete gets it. Kaka-3 puntos lang. Ito na ang Mapua.
So same play to. Same play. They want us to get screen and roll action.
Mangubat pupunta sa pwesto. Escames will facilitate. Hobilla runs
Traveling.
into a wall and he will be called for steps.
Di nakita ni Cristo Villa on that short roll. Nung nag-rotate, libre yung kabilang corner.
Timeout tayo dito. Coach Randy will call this one. They're up by 14.
The sky is the limit. Tara na, magsama-sama. Dahil together, we own the future.
Aguimeñi from the corner. Nope. Inot. Feeding. Kopneta for the finish.
Forcing another turnover and a transition layup. Highlight yun ha, hindi na binaba. Dampot, angat agad.
And another takeaway. Inot. Full header seam.
Naton ini, kaya na ini. Kaya na ko ni. Kabaen ang tay-tay-toy.
Beckham, representative of Emilio Aguinaldo College, Dr. Lorenzo. I'm
Was very,
assuming
very, very happy with that
Oh, yeah.
win. Very happy with that win.
that was a historic win, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan, Sir Dax Castellano, Mancom rep naman ng De La Salle
Another
College of
happy
St.
camper.
Benilde.
4-0 to start the season.
Perfect start.
Yep.
Oh, Sir Paul Suban.
Got
also
their first
happy.
win. Got their first win.
Oh, yeah.
Tinanong ako ng uncle ko, bakit gusto mo yung JRU? Sinabi ko nga sa kanya yung reasoning na, bawat possession kasi sa kanila, parang yun na yung huling possession.
True.
Ramdam ko na parang pag natalo sila, yun na yung last chance nila eh.
Yeah.
So, it makes you embrace the college game more.
Parang sinasakripisyo nila lahat.
Oo! Yun lang naman yung hihingin mo sa mga players mo eh, di ba? Just like how Blue is playing right now.
That's right.
High percentage basketball, they're sacrificing their body and they're sticking to the game plan.
Watch out for JRU, ah. Coach Louie has found the right combination there.
At saka na-shoot yung mga tiro nila, na-shoot na eh.
Yeah.
Tsaka bumabalik na yung hierarchy na, pumick up na yung laro ni Medina. Pumick up na yung laro ni Giab. Kasi mahirap pag si Giab lang yung pumipick up.
Si Mr. Ora yan.
Pwede Jerry bukas.
Ay!
Doon ako upo. Kaman ko. Upo ako doon.
Abangan niyo po yan. Nakagawan dito ang Letran. Cyrus Cuenco. Didiskarte para sa Mapua. Mangubat stops. Takes his time. Mintis lang mula sa free throw line. May foul tayo sa ilalim.
Masyado nang malalim si Chris Villa pagka ganun. For guys like Chris Villa, yung mga madudulas, parang palos, kailangan na early workan mo na eh. Kasi if they get a full head of steam, not only on attacks, pero pag offensive rebounds, kasi habit niya to crash boards, you have to cross-check him. Kailangan hindi mo bibigyan eh. Aangkoran mo na sa dibdib kasi he would get in that shaded area.
Yeah. Lalo siya, mas mabilis siya sa'yo. He'll go around you.
Kaya nga, ang taas na expectations natin sa kanya eh.
Yeah.
Kasi nakita na natin eh.
Oh.
Hindi biro yung mga kaagawan niya ng rebound. Blue Chippers eh. Kasama siya dun eh.
That's true. Ang lalaki nun. Kagate. Luis Pablo. Apex pa yung ibang team nun. Jubilia averaged 20 and 12 in his lone season with the Red Cubs.
And multiple highlight dunks.
Multiple, yeah, dunks as well.
Ganda ng coverage natin, no? Nung juniors na yun.
Juniors, yeah. That was season 98, if you guys are wondering. 5 to shoot for Estrada. Estrada.
Top shot.
Yeah, Jim Boy will now have to
Earn those two shots.
take over Coach Hammer. Dahil itong litra, nabablanko na sa Obensa.
Eh, yun lang. Fourth personal foul ni Chris Tobilla.
That's huge for Mapua.
Third quarter tayo, 1 minute.
Ito yung sinasabi natin na dapat niyang iwasan kanina lamang because he re-entered the game. Meron na siyang 3 fouls.
Saka yung
Sumugal si
technical-
Coach Randy.
Yung technical kanina, mabigat.
Oh, yeah.
Yung double technical sa kanila ni Montesillo.
Personal foul yun eh.
Oo.
Yeah. So, Jim Boy nails the first. Edward Ryan ang pumalit kay Jubilia. Isa pang athletic big naman.
Interesting hindi siya naka-face mask ngayon.
Sino?
Si Edward Ryan.
Edward
diba
Ryan.
Naka-face mask siya. If I'm not mistaken, siya yung naka-face mask
Yeah.
in their previous game.
Athletic yan. Kita mo yan. Pass the length.
Oh, haba din. Parang si
Haba.
Bonnie nung pagka-graduate ng high school. Kaso mas malaman si Warren nung pag-angat niya ng seniors.
That's right. Cuenco handles. Cuenco leaves it for Abonete, who scores down the middle.
Galing na magpasa nito. Yung Cuenco sa Escamis. Kita mo, di na nga niya kailangan ni Cage. Tatlong tao yung nakapalibot sa kanya. Medyo nag-minor lang ng konti. Drop pass on the back. Good read hunting down the roller.
Montesillo. Montesillo. Sa parimitangan. Oh, what a
quick
strip.
hands.
Mangubad
Yun lang, penalty pa.
taking that away. How about the strip from the rookie? Lawrence Mangubad.
Ang NCAA, larong mama. Larong mama, hindi ka pwedeng pawarti-warti dito pag hawak mo yung bola. Ito, yung paghinto niya, kita mo, 5 tao nakapalibot. So, delay roll lang. Pag tumama yung tao, attract the defense, and then if you're delaying, drop pass will be there, floater, dip and dunks, mga libre yan lagi.
Ito si Cyrus Cuenco. You're right. Ito hindi natin masyado pinag-uusapan para sa Mapua, but he has grown a lot in just a season and a half, ano?
And nag-move up siya dun sa pecking order with Paulo Hernandez playing really well in the pros, by the way.
That's right, that's right.
Moving on. Aakyat siya. He is now the secondary attacker and shot creator on the half court. Lawrence Mangubad will be taking on the role na 6-man scorer coming off the bench. Siya yung third guard. You need that Peter Rosillo type na ginagawa ni Jeko Bangkali. Kasi yun yung dynamic nila eh. So kailangan may isa kang stable. Yun yung Bangkali ngayon. Tapos may dalawa kang attacker na naghahalininan. Eh si Clint hindi napapagod. So pwedeng magsabay silang dalawa ni Cuenco. And on the flip side, they can defend multiple positions. Despite being a little bit smaller, pero kaya nilang makipagkiskisan.
Yeah. About a second difference between the shot and the game
Sa
clock.
pamahaba. Concepcion.
Pinasok ni Coach Randy, pangbantay dito kay Jim Boy. Nalagpasan ni Estrada.
Body contact.
And again, another take by Jim Boy. He will head to the line for a couple of shots.
Isa ba ito si Jimboy Estrada? Kita mo, very deceptive yung quickness niya. Kasi he won't blow by you. He would size you up, use angles. Kita mo, very, very nonchalant swim action. Pag sumundot ka, kasi pwede niyang iswim yung kamay eh. That's a legal move in basketball, hindi siya hawi. So, hand movement, napasok niya yung left leg niya, dire-diretso downhill. Those are very subtle moves. Hindi mo kailangan mag-jump fake, mag-crossover. Pag panoorin nila si Jimboy Estrada, he only knows how to use angles at saka potent yung medium range jumpers na. So, nire-respeto siya ngayon ng defensive player. Hindi alam kung kailan po pull up, sasayawan. So, pag dumadown, ang lakas pa ng katawan. So, tumatalbog din yung mga bantay sa kanya.
Yan, dami marami po tayong slow-mo nito ni Jimboy Estrada. If you guys want to watch his moves.
Aral na to kay Coach Boyet. Naglaro kay Coach Boyet sa regional eh. Yan ang number 1 scorer.
Okay. Alam na pala yun ni Coach Boy. Concepcion getting just a few seconds on the court. Balik dito si Bangkale. Uy, nakawala si Recto! JC, touchdown!
Yun lang, miscommunication on that press by Letran. Yun din ang nangyari sa kanila in their first loss of the season. Yung
Estrada heave.
tatrap, tapos mabubuta sa press break.
Costly mistake by the Knights because that enables Mapua to grab a 15-point 10-point lead and they'll carry this one going into the fourth quarter. That's the final chapter of this game. Ibigay po natin yan sa pagbabalik natin sa NCAA Season 100.